How I made realistic AI movies to make $3,000 in 3 days. Turning AI movies into profit fast. In the fast-evolving digital landscape, one of the most exciting trends is the rise of AI-generated content, especially in the entertainment space. We've reached a point where artificial intelligence can help create highly realistic short films, animations, trailers, or storytelling videos without the need for expensive cameras, actors, or massive editing teams. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how I used AI tools to create stunning short movies that generated over $3,000 in just 3 days, even as a solo creator. This isn't just hype. With the right tools, smart distribution, and a little creativity, you can turn AI-powered videos into serious income streams, even if you're starting from scratch. The idea behind realistic AI movies. The first step in this journey was understanding the potential of AI in video content. People crave unique stories, visuals, and concepts, but they also love speed and consistency. AI lets creators produce high-quality visuals, character voiceovers, animation, and storytelling at a fraction of the time and cost. My goal was simple: create a series of ultra-realistic AI movie shorts with intriguing plots that could go viral on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram. But instead of just chasing views, I built a system that turned those views into real revenue. Step 1. Choosing the niche and story concept. Before creating anything, I focused on a niche that performs well with AI-driven storytelling, sci-fi thrillers, dystopian tales, and what-if scenarios. This genre grabs attention quickly and works perfectly with AI visuals. I sketched out a few 60 to 90-second movie concepts with dramatic tension, plot twists, and emotionally engaging elements. Each story ended with a cliffhanger or moral question, prompting viewers to comment, share, or binge the next episode. These micro-movie episodes were designed to keep people watching and returning, the golden formula for social platform algorithms. Step 2. Using AI tools to create the movie. Here's where the tech magic happened. I used ChatGPT to write the story scripts. By prompting the AI with a specific genre, tone, and plot outline, I quickly generated compelling short film scripts that felt human-written. For visuals, I turned to Runway NL and Pika Labs, two powerful AI video generation tools. They allowed me to convert scenes into motion with realistic characters, backdrops, and effects. No cameras or filming required. For voiceovers, I used 11 Labs, an AI voice synthesis tool that produced cinematic quality narration and dialogue in multiple voices and accents. I combined everything inside CapCut and Adobe Premiere Pro to do final edits, transitions, background music, from royalty-free libraries, and polish. Within hours, I could create full AI movie shorts that looked like they were made by a small studio, but were actually built by me and a few AI tools. Step 3. Publishing and monetizing. Now, creating content is one thing. Making money from it, that's where the real game begins. I uploaded the videos on multiple platforms, starting with YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. I used strategic titles, emotional hooks, and cinematic thumbnails to increase click-through rates. But the key monetization methods were Facebook Reels bonus program. My videos got over 1 million views across 3 days, and the Facebook program paid me nearly $1,200 based on engagement and watch time. YouTube Shorts revenue share. Combined with high watch time and returning viewers, the channel brought in over $700 in ad share. Affiliate links in description. I included AI tools I used, like 11 Labs and Runway NL, using affiliate links. People interested in AI filmmaking clicked through, and I earned another $500 plus in affiliate commissions. Sponsored mentions. One small AI tool company noticed my content and paid $600 for a 15-second promo spot in one of the videos. Digital product sales. I packaged my AI script templates and behind-the-scenes workflow into a $19 downloadable PDF, which earned an extra $100 plus in just 2 days. Total? Just over $3,000 in 3 days, all from creating and promoting realistic AI-generated movie shorts. Why it worked? This method worked for 3 reasons. Viral-worthy content. People are obsessed with AI, short stories, and futuristic content. I gave them all 3. Mass distribution. I didn't rely on just one platform. I spread across multiple apps to capture maximum attention. Smart monetization. Instead of only chasing views, I built income layers with affiliate marketing, digital products, ad revenue, and sponsorships. And the best part, this model is scalable. Once the system is in place, you can produce daily or weekly AI movie content and build consistent income while building an audience. The future of AI entertainment is here. Making $3,000 in 3 days isn't just about luck or hitting a trend. It's about understanding attention, leveraging the latest tools, and delivering content that feels fresh and cinematic. With the rapid growth of AI technology, the playing field has been leveled. You don't need a Hollywood budget to create high-quality films. You just need imagination and execution. Whether you want to build a faceless content brand, offer AI video services, or go viral with futuristic micro-movies, this is your moment. Don't wait for permission. The tools are here, the platforms are open, and the audience is hungry. If you found this journey valuable and want to dive deeper into AI filmmaking monetization strategies or tool recommendations, check the links in the description. I've included everything I used to make this happen, so you can start your own journey today. Don't forget to like, comment your questions, and hit subscribe for more behind-the-scenes strategies to grow and monetize digital content in 2025 and beyond. Let's build the future, one AI-powered video at a time.